Hello traders, Gary Wagner here, just about 10:20 in Honolulu, 4:20 in New York. It is Monday, August 29th, 2016, and we are looking at the Dow Jones Industrial Average staging a fairly nice recovery today. U.S. equities as a whole, this following Jackson Hole's symposium that took place last week and concluded on Friday. Dow Jones Industrial Average currently trading up about 107 points, about a 0.5% gain on the day. Standard & Poor's also very nice upside move, up about a 0.5%. 10-point rise at 2179. And then NASDAQ actually underperforming, or not performing as well as I should say, as some of the other indexes, but that is still up almost 0.2% at 4793. So traders, here we are 1 weekend after Jackson Symposium. Not a lot of clarity in terms of when we will see rate hikes. We'll probably see one this year. But again, there is as much concern about the uncertainty as there is in any certainty. However, equities doing very well. Consumers seeming to spend again. And when we take a look at our daily chart, let me move it over a little bit. We're seeing a very similar kind of set of circumstances. I don't know if we want to call this a rounded top, because we could see this market break above, first of all, but we have seen this activity where the market will find these sets of new highs and then kind of cap out before either spiking tremendously lower or having a nice breakout to the upside. But we are now once again in a tight and narrow trading range, and I really think the key to U.S. equities personally is the fact that as we approach the end of summer and we'll get to Labor Day very, very soon, I think we're going to see a lot of money come into U.S. equities markets once the traders who have been on summer hiatus return. And my sense is that that is what will really move this market well above this current level of these highs that we achieved, and even more importantly, this sideways trading activity. I think that will cease once traders return after their summer breaks. In other markets that we follow, dollar closed up a little bit. In essence, right now it's trading just shy of unchanged, 95.57. You can see just slight green, this on a daily chart. And this, of course, following a tremendous upside surge on Friday, following the statements and speeches made by Jackson Yellen and statements made by other members of the Federal Reserve. And traders, lastly, crude oil. We are looking at a daily chart. Crude oil off about 1.5%, which, as you know, for crude oil is not a tremendous amount. That's this candle right here. But we can see that we've kind of have a little bit of support at about the 46.50 area. You can see that up until Friday's action, we were witnessing a series of really lower highs, but then we had that big pop on Friday, and now we're coming back into alignment. The real question is the 61% retracement at 46.87, whether or not that's going to hold, because if it does not, the next real level of support in the market really doesn't come in till about $46. Of course, that's very, very slight movement or activity when looking at oil, considering the kind of ranges that we have seen over these last couple of months. This has been Gary Wagner, wishing you, as always, good trading. We will talk to you tomorrow for another Trending Markets. Bye-bye.